So, ito na yung part 3 ng ating Tamanigara escapade, guys. So, in this video, bumibisita lang kami sa Orang Asli Village. Ayan, namimit namin yung ibang mga aborigines. Ayan, pinapakita nila sa atin kung paano sila gumagawa ng fire without using matchsticks or yung posporo. Tapos, after that, nag-lunch kami dito. Then, nagkaroon na kami ng water activities, yung rapid shooting. So, ito na nga guys, pinapakita sa atin ng isang aborigines kung paano sila gumagawa ng fire without using yung yung posporo. So, ganyan lang ginagawa nila, guys.
So the army is better you make a fire after this because you're soldier.
刚刚这样做很容易，等上面穿你就知道了。
They have more knowledge about the jungle, about the forest, everything. They can climb the tree. They're very professional to climb the tree.
So, ayan, ang dami ng osok. Yan na siya.
In the beginning, normally they make a fire less than 2 minutes. How long?
50 seconds. 50 seconds.
So, ito naman ay isa ding aborigines. Ayan, gagawa siya ng yung parang arrow for blue pipe. So, yun kasi ang ginagamit nila pag nanghuhuli sila ng mga animals.
Like this one, like that. This one making a new one. You want to see? No worry, this one without the poison. This one the poison one.
What kind of poison?
See the black one? They take the poison from the tree.
This poison can kill people.
Also,
Can
Try? You want to?
Just asking whether
depend your
can kill
antibody.
people or not.
You want to try this one? You bring this one, the poison stick, you try in the hotel, not now. You try in the hotel. I think I give some of you before. They live like you can polish them. You see, right now we want to polish the balancing. Like sandpaper. So if they want to making the arrow and double pipe, no need money. Everything they take from the forest. And this technique also, if you want to clean your hair around here, you can try rolling the stick. No hair here. Every day they rolling the stick. Clean.
So only this part no hair.
Yeah. No, you can try another part here or everywhere. Okay, touch it. This one, very smooth, right? Up to the polish.
Oh yeah. Nice feeling. Yeah.
Pass his head.
Nice feeling, sir. This one. Polish liver.
That's why
Polish liver.
I think my friend also tell us about this one. They live like sandpaper. Maybe you can try another part here. You need to check first in the hole. This one, the yellow, and this one, the green one inside. The made by Rotan, this really from like a curtain. You take just a little bit like this. Okay. Like a curtain. And then you roll in like this a little bit and you put inside.
Oh.
And you push 1 or 2 centimeters. They're not ready for hunting.
Oh, okay. So,
And this right, they hold like this, okay? They hold like this. But I think for us it's different. Hold like this when you blow, you move in the bamboo, right? You hold one hand here, like a sniper. Okay?
so how I blow? Just
100% you go inside the hole.
Okay, no zeroing on, huh?
You in the target first. In the target first. When you're ready, shot and hard blow. Yeah, put the hole close to your leg. Yeah. In the target first. When you're ready, shot and hard blow. I had 2 times you blow. Just 1 time. You blow.
So, ayan, tinatry din ng mga kasamahan namin kung paano gumawa ng fire. Ayan. So, ayan, tinatry din ng mga kasamahan namin yung paggawa ng fire. So ito namang mga nakahang dito ay binibenta nila sa mga sa mga turista. Ayan. Gawa nila. At nagbibenta din sila dito ng mga cold drinks. Ayan, kaya meron silang cooler. So, ayan na guys. Tapos na kami dito sa Orang Asli Village. So, sasakay na naman ulit kami ng jetty para sa rapid shooting. So, yun na nga ang sinasabi nila na itong rapid shooting na activity ay 100% na mababasa talaga tayo dito. Kaya nagpalit na kami ng mga tsinelas.
快快快！哦，SK SK！你拍到麦克头。有得搞你，我们干到的回去。
So, ayan na guys, tapos na yung rapid shooting na activity. At sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami sa activity na to. At ngayon ay pabalik na kami doon sa JT Terminal dahil uwi na kami doon sa aming guest house para makapagpahinga.
A few moments later.
Yan na guys, after ng rapid shooting na activity, ay umuwi kami doon sa guest house para makapagpahinga sana. Kasi yung next na activity namin ay mamayang gabi pa, yung night jungle walk. Pero naisipan naman namin na magpunta na lang kami ng coffee shop. So nagtanong-tanong kami kung saan. Sabi nila dito lang talaga sa sa may JT site yung floating resto. Kaya ayun, pero yung iba sa amin ay nagpahinga talaga sila, parang kukunti lang kaming nagpunta rito. So, ito na nga yung order natin, guys. Nag-order lang naman ako dito ng coffee shake at saka yung waffle. At tuwang-tuwa talaga ako dito dahil napakamura talaga ng kanilang mga pagkain. So, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo guys for our part 3. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So, magkita-kita ulit tayo para sa part 4. Yung part 4 naman natin guys ay yung Night Jungle Walk. See you and God bless. Bye!